Often, when we're having a difficult time dealing with our family members or those within our household, we think we can handle it on our own. Sometimes that's the case, but other times you'll need to enlist some help. That's where a family law firm comes into play. These professionals can help you find a resolution as quickly and efficiently as possible. If you're not sure if you need these kinds of services, keep watching to learn the signs you need to get help. Ready for divorce. Filing for divorce is never an easy decision to make. It usually comes after a long period of debating and trying to resolve the issues in your marriage. It's a heartbreaking choice you have to make that can bring a lot of emotions to the surface. One of the best things you can do when ending your marriage is hiring a divorce lawyer. A lawyer will walk you through the entire divorce proceedings from beginning to end. They'll help you file the right paperwork and also go through any negotiations with you. Working with a lawyer helps you relax and feel confident that everything is being handled right to avoid delays and unnecessary disruptions. Child custody questions. One of the worst aspects of divorce proceedings is figuring out child custody agreements. Most parents want to spend as much time with their children as possible, so splitting time between households can be devastating. Since most parents have the same goal, it's crucial to have an effective strategy to get the outcome you're looking for. A family practice lawyer will have the expertise necessary to get you full custody or closest to it when at all possible. They'll help you develop a plan to plead your case and hopefully get the outcome you're looking for. Child support. Similarly, a family practice lawyer will be able to get you a good child support payment plan to cover expenses tied to caring for your children after divorce. While it feels like a task full of emotions, judges deciding these matters actually use a very technical plan to determine how much a parent is responsible for. Family practice lawyers have an intimate understanding of your state's guidelines and the process a judge goes through. They'll use that knowledge, combined with an understanding of your specific situation, to come up with the best solution. A lawyer's expertise is priceless when trying to get a fair child support payment plan put in place. Alimony payments. Child support payments aren't the only compensation route you may be entitled to after a divorce. In some cases, a spouse can also be required to make alimony payments to the other for support. This type of payment typically only comes when one spouse can prove you were financially dependent on your spouse during the marriage. Typically, if one parent stayed home with the children and the other worked, they can qualify for these kinds of payments. Everything must be decided on by a judge to be official. A lawyer will understand if you have a good chance of being approved for payments and if it would be worth the time and effort to go through with these kinds of proceedings. If you're interested in speaking to a family lawyer about your specific situation, contact us today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.